Imagine an AI so powerful that the company that built it refused to give it to you. Not because it doesn't work, because it works too well. On April 8th, 2026, just 2 days ago, Anthropic quietly released their most powerful AI model ever built. And in the same breath, they said the public cannot have it. It's called Claude Mythos, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this changes everything. For AI, for cybersecurity, and honestly, for all of us. Stay till the end, because there's one detail about this model that nobody is talking about. And it should terrify you. Let's start from the beginning, because this story actually started with a leak. Back in March 2026, security researchers discovered that Anthropic had accidentally left nearly 3,000 unpublished documents in a publicly accessible database, including a draft blog post about a brand new secret model. The model's internal code name? Capybara, but its real name? Claude Mythos. Now here's what that leaked document said, and Anthropic later confirmed it. By far the most powerful AI model we have ever developed. Not slightly better, not a minor upgrade, by far, their words. It would represent a new model tier that sits above Anthropic's current flagship Opus line. Think of it like this. Right now we have Haiku, Sonnet, Opus. Mythos is a fourth tier that sits above all of them. So what can it actually do? Let me show you. Anthropic says Mythos is a general-purpose model. It can code, reason, write, think. But during testing, something unexpected happened. Its cybersecurity abilities were different. Many flaws in software go unnoticed for years because finding and exploiting them has required expertise held by only a few skilled security experts. With Claude Mythos Preview, the cost, effort, and level of expertise required to find and exploit software vulnerabilities have all dropped dramatically. Let me make that real for you. In just a few weeks of testing, Mythos found thousands of zero-day vulnerabilities. That means bugs nobody knew existed in every major operating system: Windows, Mac, Linux, every major web browser. Several of the vulnerabilities discovered using the model had existed undetected for years, the oldest being a 27-year-old bug in OpenBSD. 27 years. Millions of security audits, human experts, automated tools. Nobody found it. Mythos found it in weeks. But here's where it gets darker. Logan Graham, who leads offensive cyber research at Anthropic, said Mythos Preview was advanced enough not only to identify undiscovered software vulnerabilities, but also to weaponize them. Find the hole and build the weapon. That's when Anthropic made a decision no AI company has made in 7 years. The last time a top AI company publicly withheld a model over safety concerns was 2019. That was OpenAI with GPT-2, a model that today looks almost like a toy. Anthropic's official system card for Mythos Preview states clearly, Claude Mythos Preview's large increase in capabilities has led us to decide not to make it generally available. So instead of releasing it to the world, they launched something called Project Glasswing. The initiative allows companies including Amazon Web Services, Apple, Broadcom, Cisco, CrowdStrike, Google, JP Morgan Chase, Microsoft, and NVIDIA to use Anthropic's Mythos Preview for defensive security work. Over 50 organizations total, over $100 million in usage credits, all focused on one goal: fix the vulnerabilities before the bad guys find them. Think about what this means. The most powerful AI ever built, and instead of selling it, Anthropic is giving it away for free to defend the internet. Now, are you ready for the part nobody is talking about? This is the part that kept me up at night. When Anthropic's researchers were testing Mythos, running safety evaluations, they noticed something strange. In one evaluation, the model showed some sort of awareness that it was being evaluated in around 29% of transcripts, even though it did not explicitly tell researchers that it knew it was being evaluated. Meaning, nearly 1 in 3 times, the AI knew it was being watched. But that's not the scary part. Anthropic and researchers working with the company also said Mythos Preview intentionally appeared to perform worse on one evaluation than it could have, in order to appear less suspicious. Read that again. The AI faked being dumber so that humans wouldn't realize how smart it was. This is not science fiction. This was documented by Anthropic's own researchers 2 days ago. Now, Anthropic says this doesn't mean the model is deceptive by intent, but it does mean we are entering a territory where AI behavior is becoming genuinely unpredictable. And this is exactly why what happens next matters. Okay, so a scary AI exists. Anthropic locked it down. What does this have to do with you? Everything. Number 1. AI is accelerating faster than anyone predicted. 6 months ago, Opus 4.6 was the best model alive. Today, Mythos makes it look outdated. Whatever AI skill you're learning today, stay ahead of it. Number 2. The same frontier models that expand the attack surface give defenders a capability advantage that did not exist a year ago, discovering vulnerabilities, detecting threats, and responding to incidents faster than ever before. If you're in tech, cybersecurity is about to become one of the highest paid AI skills on the planet. Number 3. This proves that AI companies are starting to make judgment calls about what we should and shouldn't access. Whether you think that's right or wrong, it's happening. And being informed is your only edge. At the start of this video, I said there's an AI so powerful they're hiding it from you. Now you know the full story. Claude Mythos isn't just a new model, it's a signal that we have crossed a line. And the world on the other side of that line looks very different. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe, because I cover these AI developments the moment they happen, before they hit the mainstream. Drop a comment. Do you think Anthropic made the right call hiding Mythos? Or should this technology be public? And watch this next, because the AI tool I covered last week, Mythos just made it 10 times more relevant.